We pause to remember John Lane, one of Idaho's premier warbird restorers and pilots, who died March 21, 2024, after a brief illness. John and Nancy Lane's Airpower Unlimited restoration shop restores a variety of fighters, bombers, and trainers. Their reputation for exacting rebuilds of Vought Corsair fighters is especially well known. John was a prominent participant in Warbird events including Warhawk Air Museum's annual Warbird Roundup. At John's Celebration of Life event in the Warhawk Air Museum on April 6, several hundred in attendance attested to the ease with which John made friends.